It looks like a set from a fantasy film. Milky turquoise water, dense jungle, and waterfalls spilling over limestone cliffs. This is Kuang Si Falls, a natural staircase of pools hidden 29 kilometers south of Luang Prabang. That glowing blue color, it's not editing. It's a natural phenomenon caused by calcium-rich limestone. But there is more to this place than just a photo op. In this video, we will guide you through the entire experience, from the 3 best ways to get here and the surprising wildlife sanctuary at the entrance, to the specific swimming rules you need to follow. Stay tuned for a complete walkthrough of Laos's most remarkable natural site.
The journey takes about 45 minutes to an hour, passing through quiet villages, rice paddies, and stretches of uneven road. There are 3 main ways to get there, each offering a very different experience. Option 1. Shared minivan. This is the most common choice for travelers. You can book a seat through your hotel, local agencies, or apps like Get Your Guide and Tuk-Tuk, typically for around $7. The main perks are the price and the air conditioning, but you do trade off some freedom. Pickups usually happen in the late morning with set return times, meaning your visit will follow a fixed schedule.
Option 2. Private tuk-tuk. A private tuk-tuk offers much more freedom. Prices are usually negotiated per vehicle, generally between $20 and $30. For small groups, this can be a comfortable and practical choice.
Option 3. Renting a scooter. Renting a scooter offers full freedom over your route and schedule, with rentals costing around $10 per day. It is best for confident riders on rural roads, but it comes with risks such as poor road conditions, limited emergency services, and insurance that often does not cover unlicensed riding. Some shops may also hold your passport or demand a large cash deposit. Always wear a helmet, as this is the riskiest option for inexperienced riders.
When you arrive, you're not taken straight to the waterfalls. Instead, visitors are dropped off at a small market area just outside the park, and this is the best place to prepare before going in. Local food stalls offer grilled riverfish, sticky rice, papaya salad, fresh fruit, and cold coconuts. Picking up snacks and water here is a smart move since food options inside the park are limited and noticeably more expensive. The entrance fee is less than $3. It includes park admission and a short electric shuttle ride uphill to the main entrance, as well as the return ride back to this same area when you're ready to leave and head back to Luang Prabang.
Just beyond the entrance sits the Kuang Si Bear Rescue Center, an important and often unexpected highlight of the visit that many travelers don't anticipate. This is not a zoo. The center provides a safe home for rescued Asiatic black bears, also known as moon bears, named for the pale crescent-shaped markings on their chests. These bears were saved from poaching and the illegal wildlife trade, including the bile farming industry. The bears live in large forested enclosures designed to resemble their natural habitat, complete with hammocks, climbing structures, and enrichment puzzles that encourage natural behavior and mental stimulation. Informational signs throughout the center share each bear's story, explaining where they came from and how they were rescued and rehabilitated. The center is operated by the organization Free the Bears, and a portion of the park's entry fees helps support ongoing rescue, care, and conservation efforts.
Beyond the bear sanctuary, the atmosphere begins to change. The air cools, the sound of rushing water grows louder, and wooden walkways guide visitors deeper into the forest. Then the waterfalls come into view. The water's striking milky turquoise color is caused by calcium-rich limestone particles reflecting sunlight. The effect is vivid and natural, giving the pools a glowing appearance. Kuang Si consists of multiple tiers with water cascading through a series of natural pools. Some pools are closed to swimming for safety and conservation, while others are clearly marked and open for visitors to enjoy, with signs indicating exactly where swimming is permitted.
As the trail continues upward, pool after pool comes into view, some shallow and sunlit, others deeper and shaded by the forest. Several are open for swimming, allowing visitors to step into the cool turquoise water and experience the falls up close. The contrast between lively swimming areas and quieter, secluded pools adds to the experience. Clear signs mark which pools are protected and which are safe for swimming, and it's important to follow them. Wet rocks can be slippery, so entering carefully and wearing water shoes or strapped sandals is a good idea. Wooden walkways, steps, and small bridges connect the different levels, making the area easy to explore at a relaxed pace. These paths also offer great viewpoints for photos and moments to pause and take in the surroundings.
Farther along the trail, the sound of rushing water steadily grows louder until the forest opens up to reveal the Grand Cascade, the most dramatic and iconic feature of Kuang Si Falls. This main waterfall drops from approximately 60 meters, sending a powerful curtain of water over layered limestone cliffs and into the pools below. The cascade is sustained by natural upstream flow and groundwater sources, which help maintain water throughout the year. A wooden bridge stretches across the river directly in front of the falls, offering the most expansive panoramic view and serving as the park's most photographed spot. Even during the dry season, a cool mist lingers in the air, lowering the temperature and providing relief from the surrounding jungle heat. During the wet season, heavy rainfall significantly increases the volume of water, transforming the cascade into a thunderous, roaring display that highlights the raw power and scale of this natural landmark. Take a moment to enjoy the sound of the water for a full minute before we continue.
Once you've taken in the Grand Cascade, head toward the shaded area near the base of the falls. It's equipped with tables and chairs, making it an ideal spot to cool off, enjoy a snack, and soak in the lush jungle surroundings.
Because Kuang Si Falls is set in a natural jungle environment, preparation is important.
Bring swimwear and a towel if you plan to swim.
Insect repellent is useful, especially in shaded areas.
Sturdy footwear is recommended for hiking.
Cash is required for entrance fees and food stalls.
Carry water to stay hydrated, particularly on hot days.
Light snacks can be helpful for longer visits.
A small waterproof bag protects electronics near the water.
Kuang Si Falls stays with you not just because of how it looks, but because of how it feels. Cool mist drifting through the air, the constant rhythm of water moving through the forest, a place where vibrant swimming pools exist alongside quiet jungle paths. Even with its popularity, Kuang Si has managed to hold on to its natural character. It remains a powerful reminder of Laos's raw beauty and stands as one of the most rewarding nature experiences in the region.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the related video on your screen for more fascinating content. Explore our channel for even more exciting videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Gazette for more incredible stories. Your support means everything to us. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.